guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing good. My name is Cynthia. If you're watching me for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my new YouTube channels. I will link them in the description box below. This is what we're going to be making today. So there are many ways you can wear it. You can wear it as a dress on its own. You can pair it with trousers or jeans. It depends on the look you're going for. So let's get started. I will be using 2.5 yards of fabric for this video. I'm using Ankara fabric. So we'll go ahead and fold our fabric. We just cut the front and the back together. So I folded my fabric in a triangle form. This is the front. And this is the back. I will still fold the back the same way. So that I will be adding a button overlap to the front. This is the front and this is the back. I have 1.5 inches for button overlap at the front here. Right from here, I will mark 41 inches round. I will mark 41 inches. If you want it longer than this, you can take maybe 43 or 45 inches. So I'll mark 41 inches round. This is 41 inches. So we cut it out so we can concentrate on the upper part. So we now move over to the upper part. The shoulder measurement is 15 inches divided by 2 is 7.5 inches. So I'll move over to this upper part here and look for where this 7.5 inches fall into. So this is 7.5 inches. So I'll measure it right from the edge here, 9 inches. And I will go this side and then mark 9 inches. I will make a line here. I will mark 3 inches for neck width. I will mark 1.5 inches for the back depth. And 3 inches for the front depth. I will connect it. I will make a curve here. That's the neckline. We go to the shoulder here, mark 1 inch for shoulder slope. I will connect my shoulder slope. Right on the shoulder slope, I will take the armhole measurement. The round armhole measurement is 16 inches, divided by 2 is 8 inches. I will go to the side and mark 8 inches here. Right from this 8 inches, I will mark my arm opening. So this is my normal armhole. So I will shift from this place and mark another armhole measurement. I will mark 7 inches for arm opening, 7 or 8 inches for arm opening. This is my shoulder slope. I will just take the shoulder slope, take it and curve it to this 8 inches, to this armhole. So this is my 7 inches for the arm opening. So I will go inside by 1/2 inch or 1 inch. And I'll curve it like so. Right from the shoulder slope, I make a curve here and bring it to the 8 inches. That's the original armhole. From this 8 inches, I marked 7 inches for arm opening. You can mark 7 or 8 inches for arm opening. Then I went inside by 1/2 inch. Then make a little curve here. I'll be cutting this place out. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. I'm cutting the back neckline. cut this part out. So make a notch here. Make a notch here. That is my arm opening. I will bring the front panel out. I will cut the neckline. So I will split the front part open. So what we're going to do next is to cut out the neck facing. So we are going to cut out the neck facing. I'll lay this fabric against this and use the neckline to trace out the facing. I'll cut out the front and the back facing. That's just it. I'll open the front panel. First, I will use my facing to turn the neckline. I will sew it and turn it to the other side. After I've done that, I will fold 1.5 inches. I will fold it like so. This is my button overlap. Fold 1.5 inches, then take 1/4 inch, fold it inside. I'll fold 1/4 inch inside. I will do the same thing to this side. I will use the facing to turn the neckline and sew the side here. Use 1/4 inch to sew it here. Same thing on this side. I'll finish using facing to turn the neckline. So I made a top stitch here and gave it a good press. This is the back side. I've sewn the button overlap for the front part. I'm not adding button anyway to it. I'm only adding one button to it at the upper part here. If you like, you can add button to it or through. So we go ahead now and join the front and the back together. So I'll lay the front against the back, right side facing each other. So I will sew the shoulder. I will start sewing it right from here. I will stop here. So I will sew it right from here and stop here. This is my 7 inches arm opening. So I will leave this place unsewed. And I will start sewing it again from here to the bottom of the dress. I will do the same thing to this side. I will sew it right from here and stop here. I will leave this place open and start sewing it right from here. This is the finished look of our top or dress. This is the side. This is the arm opening. On this side, I've also hemmed the bottom of the top. So I'll be adding one button to this upper part here. I'll be adding just one button or pressing button here. This is the back side. We have come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Love you. Bye.